Up first this evening, the opposition leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, is calling for the government to roll back a portion of the gas tax to help relieve some of the burdens public transport officers have been facing.
Transport operators are planning to apply for 100% increase in fares to cover higher operating costs. But Dr. Phillips says that increase may not be necessary. TVJ Shamela Pullin reports.
In recent weeks, the opposition leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, has been facing criticisms over the call for the government to do something for transport operators. The opposition has said his words amount to a call for a fare increase to the detriment of consumers. On Sunday night, Dr. Phillips responded.
I am not advocating to raise the fares. I am telling them lower the fees that the taxi drivers face. I am saying to them, reduce the taxes on fuel to allow the people, the transport system people, to get a break and operate in the country.
The plight of transport operators aside, Dr. Phillips, who was speaking at the St. Andrew East Central Constituency Conference ahead of his party's 80th annual conference set for this weekend, also aimed barbs at the ruling Jamaica Labour Party, JLP. Its exchange rate policy was one of the areas the opposition raised concern about.
All of a sudden, the dollar start flying. One minister before said I'm going to stabilize it. And next one come. The dollar start move. Same change the policy.
The scandal at the state-owned oil refinery was also part of the talking points. Dr. Phillips, while saying issues have come up in his party before, said his party always acted and chided the Holness administration for not firing the former energy minister, Dr. Andrew Wheatley.
Then you have the $1 billion Petrojam scandal, and that no over yet neither. The fact is, not only are they corrupt, but they can't manage.
Enquiries into the operation of agencies under the Energy Ministry are set to continue in the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, on Wednesday. What next will be revealed is expected to come out then. Shamela Pullin, TVJ News.